Hi, will the Quantum PLC, Unity Quantum PLC, work with the OPCUA Server Expert? In the documentation for the OPCUA Server Expert, it states here, Premium and Quantum are not supported by EcoStruxure OPCUA Server Expert 2.0. So the M580 obviously is supported, and also the M340, MC80. But it says the Premium and the Quantum are not supported. Well, you can get it to work using a later version of the OPCUA Server Expert 2.1 with no service pack. 2.0 didn't work, as it mentioned in the documentation, but 2.1 does work, and we'll demonstrate that for you. So here's a Quantum PLC 65160, and I have a sample project with a few tags here, and my IP address is 192.168.140.33. So let's go and configure the OPCUA Server Expert. So if I go to here, configuration, it's already running. So I have here, I call it a Quantum for the alias, Quantum PLC, 192.168.140.33. So that's set already. I have it set for use data dictionary, no communication break, no symbol detection. So that's pretty much it. Minimize, and I will launch the server. Okay, and I will launch the client. All right. So I'll copy the server endpoint URL into the client. Connect. Just accept. There's no security being used, so that's fine. Okay. Anonymous connection, that's okay. Quantum PLC. And as you can see, there are my tags. var1 through 9, var1 through 9. Let's subscribe to var1, and that's a value 1111, and there it is. Let's make that 3333, and we should see that update. Okay, so that's updated there in the server. So as you can see, we do have communication. Subscribe to another tag. Let's say var2. .232.45, 232.45. 89. Okay, so we have successful communication, and it's working just fine. So as of version 2.1.4903, which is no service pack, the support of Quantum and Premium was implemented. 4904 is service pack 1, and 4905, which you see here, is service pack 2, so I have service pack 2 installed. But again, the Premium and Quantum support was implemented with 4903, which is no service pack, just 2.1. 4903, no service pack. So yeah, there you have it. As of 2.1, 4903, you can communicate to the Quantum. Premium, no problem. Thanks for watching.